In the heart of Las Vegas, where dreams meet reality, tragedy struck on the iconic Las Vegas Strip. A group of fearless construction workers, like modern-day iron workers, has been bravely building the Bellagio Formula One Grandstand. But tragedy struck the very next day. Emergency responders rushed to the Bellagio fountain pool, where a worker has tragically lost his life. In the city that never sleeps, we're reminded that safety must always come first, even amid the glitz and glamour. Our thoughts go out to the workers' family and colleagues.